Hey there, good people. Big Mo Crypto here. Got a new ICO for you that I wanted to share. This one came across my desk called Laval or Laval or Laval, however you want to say it. Anyway, alright, look, I know you're going to jump on me. I already know. I'm leaving the comments wide open. It's a lending platform. Yes, I said it. A lending platform. I know. I said I would never, ever. However, this one's interesting. They're already in round 2, and guess what their lending is? I'm just going to jump in. We're just going to dive right in. No beating around the bush with it. Definitely a lending platform. Their deal is there's no lockup. Okay? So then we'll go back over what else is going on here. But the way they do it is, first of all, you're in round 2. So the coins are 55 cents. A bunch of folks already took part in the 35 cents. When I first saw it, it was at 35 cents. And I said, well, let me risk some of my money and, and kind of get a vibe and see what happens before I do any kind of review on it or talk about it before I, share it at all. But here is what they have going on. So if you do a loan with them, there's no lock period. So what they'll do, so say you put $100 in and then you take it out tomorrow, you would have made 1% on your money. You can get $1, or actually 90 cents, because they take out, they only give you 90% of however much you put in, if you put in this level. So if you're at 1,000, then they give you 95% of your money back. If you're at 10,000, you get 100% plus your profit. So here, so 10%, so it would take you 10 days. So basically you could kind of say, if you want to say, well, I'm not getting all my money back. Well, if you did it in 11 days, then you'd make $1 profit. So that's kind of how that works. Okay, at approximately 1% a day. All right, so we've got that out the way. What else is Laval outside of offering the lending? All right, here is their corporate spin. A modern age complete crypto ecosystem that will mobilize crypto and other funds and give lenders maximum returns without having the restriction of locking up the funds. Powered by a combination of sophisticated technologies such as AI, artificial intelligence, cryptography, and blockchain technology, ensuring that our lenders get the best returns for their investments. It is a platform specialized in electronic money and technology projects based on the blockchain. Laval is a project that aims to resolve all the problems associated with traditional lending and allows people to restore their confidence in the lending system. And it can help millions and millions of people, and you can make money and passive income and etc. So yeah, so let's just keep cranking through. All right, they already have 3,287 investors have joined as of round 2. They have 216,000 coins sold. I did not pay attention to how many were sold in round 1. I did not keep track of that. Okay, they do have all the usual social media stuff, and we'll circle back to that at the end. They've got Instagram, but they don't have any posts yet. They've got Telegram. They have like 681 members, so the group's pretty active. Definitely join that, and you'll be able to see, keep up with what they have going on and so forth. But let's get back to Laval. Okay, deep learning AI trading bot that's supposed to be revealed at some point soon. They're targeting 1 million users. State-of-the-art crypto, we already said that. Security, sustainability, decentralized, that's always positive, means it can't be hacked. Transparency. Okay, and here is their AI-based arbitrage. They talk a little bit more about that. High interest, fast withdrawals. You'll have access to the trading bot, their trade server, and affiliate program, and their buyback program. So, okay. So let's say you do go ahead and invest in Laval. You get in round 2, 55 cents a piece. You buy 100 tokens. What's that, $55? And you're like, okay, what now? Well, you can invest in the loaning program. You can do the staking. Or you can wait on the buyback. So what they're going to do is they're going to burn tokens and buy tokens back from folks on the platform to limit the supply. It's only, I think, 6 million total are going to ever be mined, and 4 million available right now for the ICO. So what they'll do, like I said, they'll start buying back, and that'll increase the value of any tokens sold. Alright, ICO countdown, that part's already done because the ICO started back on September 1st. I think it was the original, September 1st. And it ends October 1st. So that might be, wow, that's pretty short. It's about a month for the whole ICO. So still got about 20 days. So here's how the rounds are going. First round was 35 cents. Second round, 55 cents. 75 cents, 95 cents, $1.05. So if you hit it at 35 cents, by the time the ICO ends, you've tripled your money. 3x your money. Okay, so here's a little better breakdown of how, exactly what they're offering and how they're allowing investors to make money. Trading it, of course, as the price goes up. They have an affiliate program and a bounty program. So they are trying to get the word out. They're doing it by word of mouth. And I think it's on their, it's the Twitter page I saw it. Where did I see it? Oh, there it is. On their Twitter page, twitter.com/LavalCoin. And you can see it's a fairly new Twitter page. They've only had 4 tweets, 15 followers. So here's where they talk about their bounty program, and that's on their Medium page. So when you go to the Medium page, it's one of the items on there. All right. So it's, if nothing else, as you get to kind of get a look at this thing, you'll be intrigued. Okay, I'm going to say that to you. Okay, suspend your disbelief for a moment. Suspend your disbelief and just consider. They've got some interesting things here. Okay, bounty program, affiliate program, no lockout. So you can put your money in, decide to take it out this week or next week. You're like, I can't sleep at night, I got to take it out. You pull your money out. Okay. Here's their investment calculator. So say you put in $100. That's about $1 a day. End of August, you'd have $130. Okay. Get up to 30% profit per month. So let's go a little higher, make the numbers a little more interesting. Let's say $3,000. At the end of a month, you'd have made $900. Not bad. Not bad at all. And you can actually do lending during the ICO. Okay, as the rounds continue, you can make money doing that. All right, so let's bump this up. Mini baller status, $5,000. At the end of the month, you'll have another $1,500. So it'll be $6,500. So you'll have another $1,500. So now let's bump this up a little bit higher. So let's say you're at $7,500. You'll make $2,750 in 1 month. All right, so that is the offer, that is the plan, that is the idea. All right, here's their formula, more of the same, and the buyback feature that we talked about. So we have this buyback. Yes, you heard that right. Users can now sell back their coins directly to the platform. With this feature, Laval investors can be assured there'll be no loss of investments and they own a LavalCoin without any worry. Okay, here's the vault. Okay, so they're offering the staking. So depending upon how long your staking is, and that's 240 days from June to January, you get 50%. So on, so on, so on, so forth. Okay, and that's how their staking will work. Coin distribution. Okay, so 60% of it is staking and lending, 20% ICO, 10% bounty, 10% with developers who can't sell for a whole year. So you don't have to worry about the developers just dumping it. All right, buyback program, AI. Now let me show you the well, here's the roadmap. All right, December, let's see, 2017, February. All right, let's go forward. Okay, this is a cute little thing here. Alright, so August, end of August was the private sale. So we're in September. Beta launch of buyback. Beta launch of lending. October. Post ICO meetup event. End of coin sale October 1st. Alright, so Eternal Exchange kicks off October 3rd. Distribution of awards, etc., etc. And aggressive marketing campaign, desktop wallets, promoters workshop. Alright, we want all of that. We want to deal with all of that. Okay, here's how their affiliate program works. Blah, 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 blah. 7% of the amount they lend us. Okay, that's cool. Alright, but let me show you something funky. This is what I don't know. Like I said, if nothing else, you can't tell me this doesn't intrigue you. Okay. A way that they've set this up so that to build interest, okay, and to build just to get you to put the word out there and do some stuff, they created these badges. So the badges are kind of like, you might say, like an affiliate system or some kind of system like that. But okay, let's show you. So if you invite 10 people, now let's say you don't even join the ICO. All you do is register for free. Invite 10 people and they'll give you 50 Laval coins. I'm just saying. 50 coins just to invite 10 people. Alright. Let's see. Bot lover. Show your love for our bot by powering it up with 100 LAL coins. You throw $100 in there. Not $100, excuse me. 100 tokens. And they'll give you another 5. Technician, you put 1,000 Laval coins in there, they give you another 50. Okay, so this is all trading 1,000 coins on the exchange. You get another 50. Thrifty saver. Okay, that's 10,000 coins. So you gotta be in it a little deeper in that one. Bug finder. Okay, well a lot of them have that. So that must be, you have to contact their support directly to do the bugs. But I just thought this was really interesting. It's just another way to, to get involved in the platform and to gain coins just by getting involved. Okay. Alright, so that's the badge system. And of course the lending, and then they have a leaderboard. If that turns you off, I'm sorry. I'm just, I'm just sharing with you. If not, like I said, if nothing else, it's interesting. So that hasn't, that looks like that hasn't kicked in yet. Okay. So I'm just showing you the back office so you can kind of see kind of how it works. All right. Events. So we saw that. We looked at the roadmap. They're going to have a lottery, giving out various rewards, interest. All right. So it'll be every so often they'll have that. They've got the badges, certificates, leaderboard. I mean, it's interesting. It's intriguing. You can't not think, okay, what if? Get a little, little information. What's the blockchain? What are cryptos? Give you a little homework here. Is the affiliate program available? Well, of course we have an affiliate program, silly rabbit. And here's their expected open price, $15 to $20. They're going to be on Cryptopia, LiveCoin, Coin Exchange, and Nova Exchange right off the bat. So that's supposed to be first thing October. All right, now if you want additional information, how to use the site, they do have their Laval guide, which is the user guide about the site. And it covers some of the items that we talked about, how lending exactly works. Oh yeah, they're doing airdrops, coin rewards. So they're giving a lot of different opportunities to gain additional coins for people who support the platform, support the token. Okay? So you can kind of nose through that and some of the events, leaderboard, badges. We talked about the badges, airdrop. And that's just distributing tokens by awarding them to existing holders of a blockchain currency such as Bitcoin or Laval. Alright, they'll be doing an airdrop. So they just drop it right into your wallet. Alright, if you wanted a little bit more information, here's the actual white paper. and it talks about their mission, a little bit more about the fees, products, solutions, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Okay, so that's the bulk of it. You know, like I said, if nothing else, this thing's interesting. That's, you know, it's free to sign up, as many of these are. You don't have to invest if you don't, you don't want to. Just nose around, kick the tires, take a look. Take a look. Oh, okay, let me show you the little video. Actually, we'll go over to their YouTube page. They have precisely one video at the moment. That's about it, good people. I don't have anything else to share. They have an Instagram. They haven't done anything with that yet. Like I said, Telegram would be where you're starting to see some action. Again, here's their bounty program. Let's see. Okay, so here's, yeah. So here they're telling you how people will be rewarded with their platform. So I just encourage you to check out their bounty program here and go up, see what pin messages they have. Yeah, here's the pin messages. Okay. And I'll make sure and put this information in the comments section. Alright, good people. Big Mo Crypto here. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Peace and God bless.